device that we developed at Walt Disney Imagineering to create big puffs of air. And so we called it the Big Puffer.
Very creative. Did they pay you for that?
Well, not for that. But let's go ahead and give it a try. What do you say? All right. In 3, 2, 1. Did you feel that in the back? Let's try it over here. 3, 2, 1. Try it over here. Okay, over here. I don't want to forget about you guys. All right. And 3, 2, 1. So I want you all to go ahead and take a quick look at this. See that ring there?
Yeah, how does this work, Josh?
Well, what we're doing is we're forcing air under a high pressure through a specially designed nozzle. That's combining linear forces with radial forces to create a vortex ring of air that shoots right across the room.
Josh, I believe it's called a toroidal vortex.
As a matter of fact, it is, Asa. That's very impressive. How'd you know that?
It's written right here on this tag on the side.
All right. Well, thank you. Okay, we can go ahead and get this out. Well, actually, let's shoot off one more time. What do you say?